Well, I can't really see. I'm eating snow. It was actually more difficult than I thought it would be. Malta da pesada, bem-vindos à Coreia do Sul. Acordamos agora e acho que temos um problema. Tell them.
I think we might be stranded in South Korea. We have a big problem. Let's show you outside.
It's snowing. As I've never seen in my life.
That's not just regular snow, Kat. That's a blizzard. And we're on a mountain.
We are on a mountain. We've been in South Korea for 10 days, but I wanted to enjoy first. And we came to the mountains and we were woken up by this blizzard. Look at this.
Jesus.
Oh my god. It's my very first time seeing snowing like this. I'm from a sunny country, not snowing, so I'm excited. And we have a car. The car doesn't have snow tires and we have to hand it back tomorrow, so I think nothing of this is going to be possible. Before we head out, I need to tell you where we are. We are in Pyeonggong Mountains. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing this totally wrong, so I'm gonna write it here. We have to go out to hunt for some food, so let's go.
No. Just had this warning look.
What does it say?
Public safety alert. I've just translated it. In Korean, it says, do not go outside whatever you do. Strong winds and blizzard.
Oh well, looks like this is gonna be a fun adventure.
What floor's the car on?
3.
I need to get my hat before we walk into this town.
Cold preparation. I washed my hat and this is shrunk, so it doesn't really cover very well. But we work with what we have. Let's go to the back.
I can feel the power of the wind already. Oh!
Oh my god. That's our car park. That's the snow. Our car is not built for this. It's absolutely slippery. Look.
Really slippery.
Look. This is what we're working on. Oh my god. So here we are, our little Casper. Cool car though. Not built for the snow for sure. That's our bad boy. Best feature, the seat warms. All of it. What do you say?
There's a rat down there. I'm not joking.
So I'm leaving then.
So it ran back in the hole. They've like got a thing for it. To like feed the rat.
Probably not feet there.
Look, they've got like something for it, like water or something.
Maybe.
Anyway, this is the car and this is the reason why we can't drive it. It's not built for the snow. Oof.
Cheer up. Well, we did ask if the roads are open. The reception said, yeah, you can drive. However, we noticed that the weather is a bit up and down, so we wait half an hour, calm down a little bit, but then all of a sudden comes the snow and the blizzard, so we're gonna walk, I think.
You're gonna walk it?
Yeah, just to suss out the area.
Let's do it.
Let's see. Wish us luck.
Holy shit! So slippy! Stick to the road.
People, if you think South Korea is just Seoul is great, but this is fun. So.
Do you think it's going to be a 45-minute? Do you think it's going to be a 45-minute walk to the town or not?
I don't think so. Well, I mean, if I keep sleep, I'm gonna go in 10 minutes down this hill. It's quite nice. Look. This is the view of our hotel. All snowy. Apparently, it's is a 45 minutes walk to downtown. Downhill with slippery ice. Snow. So let's see if it actually is. I mean, it is. You try to walk there, but it's so slippery, honestly. I don't know how I didn't fail yet. Because usually I'm a disaster for these things. Clumsy as hell. Backpacker Ben is walking there like nothing has happened.
Saying that, I nearly slipped. The thing is, with you, you're Portuguese, you've never experienced this type of weather before.
I didn't.
Like, never. Iceland, you did a little bit.
Yeah, Iceland decided to start to snowing when we left. So doesn't really count. This is my first time in the snow, real snow. Yeah. I've been once in Portugal, but it's man-made snow. We don't get it, we get sun. So you can't have both words, isn't it? So yeah, cats in the snow. Welcome to my show. Oh God.
Careful. I'm slipping as well. Oh!
We just made it to the town half an hour later. And let me tell you, just half an hour down the road is a beach place, which was sunny, nice, and just up the road you just have heavy snow. I attached some photos for you to see the difference. My face is frozen. I've moved to the coffee shop. The coffee's on his way, and it starts snowing again heavily.
Look at the wind. Camera probably doesn't do it justice as always.
Yeah, I almost fell like 350 times, but I survived. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
What did we get?
Cheese and bacon bagel, egg McMuffin, and of course 2 coffees to warm up because my hands and Kat's hands are freezing.
What's our favourite coffee?
Vanilla latte. We've had about 500 since we got here.
So let's smash it out.
Smash it out. Katarina? It's getting worse. What are we gonna do?
Wait, I guess. Oh, what are you doing?
Run!
Oh, that's absolutely hammering out, snowing. Oh my God.
Yes.
Look at this, everyone just stopped. Look, oh my God. We can't walk up. It's actually fun.
We're going to be stranded here tomorrow. It's going to get heavier later, I think.
Oh my God, no! It's not.
Holy shit.
We have to call Uber to go up because we can't just do anymore.
Where should we get it from? Should we go on to the next? There's a shop over there. Let's get it from there.
Yeah, I can't see anything anymore. Looks actually good.
Oh,
There's a Starbucks here.
oh, there's a Starbucks. Let's get in. Run, cat! Run!
Fair play for anyone and any Uber driver driving in this, because I could not do it, to be honest.
We've had 2 people cancel so far. 2 people cancel, searching for a third one.
Looks like we're walking.
No. This is proper like blizzard now. We've got to get an Uber.
It looks like we're walking again. Ladies and gentlemen, no one wanted to pick us up by the Uber, so we are walking again.
Oh, I'm getting it's difficult actually.
Oh,
Because I can't really see.
holy shit.
Just-
Can't see a thing.
I'm eating snow. Look at all the I can't see. Oh my god. It was actually more difficult than I thought it would be. This is not good. Yeah.
Oh, my nose.
This is actually not very good to be honest. I need glasses. I need glasses. Ah!
Let's get back to that the other coffee shop. Let's try order an Uber from in there, 'cause this is horrendous.
It's actually.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Oh,
Shit.
shit.
Oh.
I'm frozen.
Oh.
Oh, I need a hot chocolate. That guy is laughing at us.
A lemon tea to warm up. No Ubers are picking up. The storm, the blizzard, shall I say, stopped a little bit, so we might attempt again to walk. If no, well, God knows what's gonna happen.
Oh no. I had one, he accepted.
The cancel.
It's gone again, look. Your driver has cancelled.
What's happening?
Oh, another one. Oh, buzzing. 3 minutes.
So we actually got a driver.
We're not going to die.
I mean, do we?
Pick up in 2 minutes. Let's get out. Let's get in the
go.
door. Take your camera. Get dressed.
Get dressed fast. 10 layers.
I'm keeping the door sealed from the wind. Just trying to get in. Pick up in 1 minute.
Let's wait for our driver.
Get ready.
Get ready. Looks like it cleared up a little bit more.
Yeah.
However, in 5 minutes time it's gonna be full on again.
Constantly changes. Like,
Yeah.
constantly.
Look,
Now's not too bad.
in 5 minutes it's gonna be lashing it again.
Here he is.
Let's go. Our taxi arrived.
안녕하세요.
Oh, yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
어, 믿고 이거요. 이거.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, we are back in a room and it's time for a nap. But before, let me just quickly show you where we're staying until this blizzard chill out a little bit. Maybe not. We'll see.
I don't think so. It's getting worse, Kat.
Well,
We're going to be stuck here tomorrow. Go on, give us a tour.
that's our bed, small one. Very hot room, let me say. Messy. We have these stairs where we're drying our clothes with a loft. Don't know what this for. Maybe a bed, some storage there. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, go on then.
Alright, over here. Kitchen things. And when you open here, full kitchen cans.
I don't even know about this.
I did tell you yesterday.
What?
Any clothes. And a storage with a safety box. Into the toilet. Have a great shower, Japanese toilet, love it. Messy, but you know, nice and clean. And then it's time for the nap. Nap time. See you when this blizzard is chilled. Well guys, it's a few hours later and it certainly didn't get better at all. And what we just received again?
Just received a message from Public Safety Alert saying basically it's going to get colder overnight and more snow.
Yeah, and to be careful when you drive to get the public transport because there's a highly risk of crashing. We have to drive to Seoul tomorrow for 5 hours to hand the car back, so I think that's going to be funny.
Funny. You won't be laughing when I crash it tomorrow into the bridge.
I mean, that's alright because we have full damage coverage, so we can scratch.
Oh, that's alright, we'll crash it then. No problem.
No, we don't crash.
Listen, we're going to die, alright? We're stuck on this mountain in South Korea. We've got to get the car back tomorrow. We're screwed. We're screwed!
Stay tuned for the next couple of hours. See you later. Good morning! Good news, it seems like it cleared up a little bit. However, we have 4 hours drive, so let's see how the roads are really looking like. I mean, we will survive? Let's say.
Let's say.
I mean, we will survive? Let's see. All gear up and ready to leave. Bye!
How long's the drive?
4 hours. We just came to the car park and everything is flooded and really slippery. Ben is gonna try to take the car out now. See how this goes.
So slippy.
Why do they? We're fine. Seems like for now the roads are okay, they're clean, we're not slippering.
Slippering.
Sleeping. But let's see how this goes the rest of the way.
Only 4 hours to go.
Yeah,
Probably
so-
more because I'm going to drive really slowly.
Yes, so who knows? It's just goes and see.
Just goes and see.
That my English is terrible today.
Speak Portuguese.
So far, so good. We parked in the snow. Time for some breakfast because we need energy for what's coming. I mean, I'm a passenger princess. He needs more.
We've got our breakfast. Katerina just said, "Oh, look over there. You can see the slops." And I was like, "The slops? What do you mean the slops?"
Slopes.
Over there you can see the ski slopes. Her English today, I'm telling you. The slops. What she's eating right now is a slop. Sloppy breakfast bagel. Slopes. Slops means something else in the UK. You don't want to know what it means.
Tell me in the comments, please.
No. British fans will understand what slops mean. If you want to give someone slops, what do you think that means?
Don't know.
Comment below if you know.
I never realized that South Korea was such a beautiful country. It has mountains, it has beaches, it has snow. I didn't even know it would snow like this. It's truly a hidden gem of a country.
Well said. A lot of people don't think South Korea would be like this, right? Mountains and it's got it all.
In 700 meters, moving camera zone.
Gotta be careful these roads.
100
We keep
kilometers per
hitting
hour.
like black ice and the car sort of skids a little bit, and then you got the wind blowing us around as well, so you gotta be super careful.
So we're driving very slow. Guys, update on the road trip, and the first hour was a bloody nightmare. Ben was having some problems with skidding into the black ice, going down the mountains. Once we got down, we were kind of okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
So now it's time to hand the car back. We have 2 hours to drive to Seoul, and let's see, we might go for a ice skating tomorrow.
You forgot to mention as well how long we've been driving for.
5 hours.
Yeah. We're supposed to be back like 2 hours ago.
5 hours! We made it.
What a day!
This was stressful, especially driving in Seoul.
We gotta give the car back, so we'll do a review in the hotel room. 8 hours of driving. 8? 7?
7 or something.
We're here.
Right.